Hi, today I'm going to do a quick video just to show you how to do a standing stitch. I'm Becky from Genie Frog Crochet, and when I first started to crochet I didn't know that a standing stitch existed, and I do actually find them so much easier. I put them into things that I make now, I've got to be honest, even if it doesn't call for it in the pattern. So most of the time you'll get in a pattern, it might say join your yarn and chain 3, and then in brackets it will say counts as a double crochet. Well, with a standing stitch you just join with a double crochet, and it looks so much neater and so much tidier. So I'm going to show you a standing single, a standing half double, and a standing double. So I've got a simple little granny square here that I've made just to show you this. So I'm going to put a slip knot on my hook. And for a standing single crochet, what you would do is you just insert your hook into the stitch. We do this one here. And you yarn over as if you would doing and you hold the loop on the hook as you're doing this so that it doesn't twist around too much. And hold it in place, and then you just yarn over and pull through the stitch, pull through both loops, and then you would carry on and make your row of single crochets. And you can see then that the first stitch is, well, identical to the other stitches. So when you would get round to the other edge, you would just join to the top of those loops. So that's the single crochet. Let me just show you the half double. And this is great as well if you're making a granny square and you want to join a new colour, or any pattern really, and it calls for joining a new colour. It's just a much tidier, neater way of doing it. So for a half double, this is a bit tricky until you get used to it. But I mean, I think I could do these in my sleep now. I don't really have to think about it anymore. You have to practice it a bit. So we'll go into the same stitch. So for the half double, you yarn over, hold the loop on the hook with your finger and yarn over. And then you want to insert, hold both loops and insert your hook into the stitch. Yarn over and pull through. And then you want to very carefully yarn over and pull through all of the loops, being careful. Hold the tail, I would, with your other hand, just so that you can get through that last loop. And there you have your standing half double crochet. So I'll do another couple of half doubles just to show you how it compares. There we go. So when you got all the way round then to the end of your row, you would just join to the end, to the top loops of your standing half double, like that. And I will show you the double crochet. As I say, I just find it so much easier now. Even if a pattern sort of says join your yarn, chain 1 counts as a single, I just do a standing single now automatically. So for the half double, again, same as, for the double, same as the half double, you yarn over and hold both loops with your finger, insert into the stitch that you're going to join in, yarn over and pull through. And then with a half double, you yarn over and pull through the first 2 loops, and then yarn over, just hold on to the tail with the other hand because it makes it easier, then the loop doesn't get too wide. Yarn over and pull through the last 2, just like that. So I'll show you that again, just a bit smoother. So you would yarn over and hold your loops on your hook, insert into the stitch, yarn over again and pull through, and then you'd hold with your other hand securely, yarn over and pull through 2, and then yarn over and pull through the last two. And I'll do another couple of doubles just to show you. There we go. And that is your standing double crochet. So as you can see with this granny square that I made just to show you, joining the yellow, I mean every stitch around is identical. There's no, I don't know, unsightly skinny stitch that doesn't look like the other stitches but that you need it to join. So there we go. That is your standing stitches. Hopefully you've found it helpful and you will be able to use them in the future. I personally, I prefer it so much more than the chain and join. So yeah, give it a go. Let me know in the comments how you get on, and I'll see you next time.